What if you could sound like Cristiano Ronaldo
Hey everyone, it's me, Cristiano Ronaldo. Subscribe to ProvenTube's YouTube channel right now.
or our childhood favorite character SpongeBob,
Hey 90s kids, do you still remember me? I love you all.
or even Loki?
Don't skip this video or I swear I will hunt you in your dreams.
Like this, you can clone your voice into the voice of many famous stars and characters. With the help of HitPaw Voice Changer, you can change your voice for streams, gameplays, or even prank on your friends. And besides everything, you can use these voices for YouTube monetizable videos, TikTok creativity program, and Instagram. But don't do anything creepy, all right? To download this tool, search for HitPaw Voice Changer on Google. Then click on the first link and open up the website. Now you can even read the features of this tool from here. Then just simply click on this Try for Free button, and it will be automatically downloaded. Then simply install it on your system. And after that, you will have this interface after opening HitPaw. Now the first option here is Real-Time Voice Changer. There are plenty of most famous voices over here. Voices like SpongeBob, Ghostface, Squidward, Simpson, Jack Sparrow, Joker, Loki, and even Ronaldo. Consider speaking in the voice of Ronaldo in front of your friends. What will be their reaction? Now, if you want to change your voice in real time, so before opening your game, first connect your mic with your computer. Then you first need to open HitPaw Voice Changer, and then from Real-Time Voice Changer, select the voice you want the others to hear. Then simply turn on Switch Voice Changer and simply minimize HitPaw. And then whatever you will speak, the other person will not hear your original voice. Instead, they will hear the voice you have selected. Isn't it a great feature? And do the same for live streams also? Unfortunately, I can't try it now because I have iVoice. But there is a feature for guys who use AI voice. Just hang on. Now, if you come to Soundboard, there are tons of voice effects. These sound effects are basically used when you are doing live streams or playing online games. Let's check out a few sound effects.
Capibara, 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 capibara.
Wow, they seemed pretty good to me. Let's check a few more.
Gada, 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 oh, I've been married a long time ago.
They were actually good. Now let's head to the most interesting feature voice changer for videos. Now simply click here and import your voiceover. Now if I play the imported voiceover, you can clearly listen that this is the voiceover I use. Now guys, as you have seen, it literally took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and to edit a banger, it will consume a lot more time and efforts. Now to change the voice, simply you need to select the character from here. Now, let's start with my favorite character, SpongeBob. Then simply click on Change Voice. It will then take a few seconds to minutes. And here our voice is also ready. Hear it out.
Now guys, as you have seen, it literally took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and to edit a banger, it will consume a lot more time and efforts.
Guys, that was absolutely wonderful. Let's try another voice this time. Let's try Tom Huddleston's voice, also known as Loki. Simply click on Change Voice and then just wait. Let's hear it now.
Now guys, as you have seen, it literally took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and to edit a banger, it will consume a lot more time and efforts.
Guys, tell me your opinion on this tool in the comments. Now let's try one female voice. Let's see if it can accurately change a male's voice into a female star voice. For instance, let's try Margot Robbie's voice.
Change your voice with HitPaw AI Voice Changer in one click.
Simply change voice, and then just let's hear it out.
Now guys, as you have seen, it literally took us a lot of time to edit a basic video, and to edit a banger, it will consume a lot more time and efforts. So that's...
Whoa, I didn't see that coming. Well, I don't know who Margot actually is, but if you think that the voice was exactly her, then let me know in the comments. Now to download the voice, simply click here to download it. Their pricing is literally very cheap, from $15 per month. But I won't recommend you to do monthly subscription, because in only $35 you can use it for a whole year without any limitations. And the best part is they also provide a perpetual plan in only $50. And you can use the software for your whole life without ever paying again. This may be the cheapest tool I have ever reviewed. Guys, don't forget to like the video.